How do you like to spend your weekends? Do you have a routine, or perhaps you're more spontaneous? There's something truly magical about a Saturday morning, isn't there? As the first rays of sunlight gently pierce through the curtains, there's a sense of calm and tranquility that is rare during the hustle and bustle of the weekdays. Imagine waking up, not to the shrill ring of an alarm, but to the soft chirping of birds and the distant hum of the world waking up. The day stretches out ahead, full of promise and free from the usual weekday responsibilities. The weekend is a blank canvas, ready for you to paint your own masterpiece of fun and relaxation. Now, consider the simple pleasure of a slow breakfast on a Saturday morning. There's no rush, no urgency. Perhaps you fancy whipping up a stack of fluffy pancakes, drizzling them with maple syrup, and adding a sprinkle of fresh berries on top. Or maybe you're more of a coffee person, savoring each sip of that rich aromatic brew, while you leisurely flip through the pages of your favorite book or newspaper. The anticipation of the day ahead is almost as delicious as the breakfast itself. The possibilities are endless. Will you go for a long walk in the park, immersing yourself in the beauty of nature? Or perhaps you'll meet up with friends for a leisurely lunch, sharing laughs and stories over a meal? Maybe you'll spend the day exploring a new hobby or diving into a gripping novel. The beauty of a Saturday lies in its flexibility. It's a day where you can do as much or as little as you want. You can be productive, or you can choose to simply relax and recharge. You can spend the day alone, lost in your thoughts, or you can surround yourself with loved ones, creating memories that will last a lifetime. There's nothing quite like a Saturday morning, is there? A whole day ahead to do as you please. It's a fresh start to the weekend. A day to unwind, to explore, to enjoy. So, tell me, how will you spend your next Saturday? Now, how about those Saturday afternoons? How do you fill them? For many, it's the perfect time to embrace leisure, allowing oneself to step away from the hustle and bustle to breathe in the tranquility of a park. Picture this: walking along a winding path, surrounded by the harmony of rustling leaves and chirping birds. It's a moment of peaceful solitude that recharges the spirit. And what better companion for such a stroll than a good book? A book, an escape into another world. As you turn each page, you find yourself lost in the magic of its narrative, your mind painting vivid pictures of characters and places. The thrill of diving into a new story, of meeting new characters, of exploring new worlds, it's a joy that's hard to match. Imagine an afternoon spent strolling and reading, letting your imagination run wild with every word. Saturday afternoons, with their leisurely pace and endless possibilities, truly are a delight, aren't they? Sundays are a special day, aren't they? A day to rest, to reflect, and to reconnect with those we love. There's a certain magic to a Sunday morning that's hard to put into words. For me, it's all about the joy of friendship. You see, Sundays are when my friends and I meet up for our weekly soccer game. There's something invigorating about the anticipation of that friendly match. The air is filled with a mix of excitement and camaraderie that is truly infectious. As we gather on the field, the laughter and banter begin to flow, as freely as the morning sun shines down on us. Playing soccer with friends is not just about the game. It's about the shared experiences, the joy of being part of a team. Each pass, each goal, each save is a testament to our friendship, a shared memory that we'll carry with us throughout the week. The thrill of a close match, the satisfaction of scoring a goal, the shared triumphs and losses, all contribute to the sense of camaraderie that defines our Sunday mornings. It's a reminder that we're not just friends, but teammates, supporting each other both on and off the field. Sundays, with their slower pace and opportunities for connection, offer a chance to recharge and reset for the week ahead. It's the perfect end to the weekend and the perfect start to a new week. As the sun sets on Sunday, how do you prepare for the week ahead? Let's talk about the beauty of winding down as the weekend draws to a close. Sunday evenings are like the gentle pause before the bustling symphony of the week begins. It's a time to recharge and reset, to gather our strength for the adventures that lay ahead. Imagine the comfort of a home-cooked meal, the aroma of your favorite dish wafting through the air. the taste of familiar flavors on your tongue. There's something incredibly soothing about the process of creating and savoring a meal. It's an act of self-care that nourishes not just our bodies, but our souls as well. Or perhaps you prefer the relaxation of a warm bath, the sensation of stress melting away as you soak in tranquility. The flicker of candlelight, the soft bubbles, the soothing scent of bath oils. It's a little piece of paradise in the comfort of your own home. And who can resist the pleasure of a good movie? The thrill of a new story unfolding, the laughter, the tears, the suspense. It's an emotional roller coaster that allows us to escape reality for a little while. These moments of peace, they're a testament to a weekend well spent. They're the assurance that you've taken the time to enjoy life's simple pleasures, and you're ready to face whatever the new week brings. Sunday evenings, with their calm and tranquility, are the perfect time to reflect on the joy of the weekend and prepare for the adventures of the new week. So how about you? How do you like to spend your weekends?